So it's my first time gumamit ng Powerhouse. My first time actually to use an Orbital Sander that's rectangle. So what are some of the things I like and dislike? Okay, I don't like that it's so hard to press this thing. Mahirap niyang pindutin. It's hard to switch grits. Another thing I don't like is this foam. It feels like it might come off if you're not careful with it. Having said that, as soon as you get a piece of sandpaper on it, there's no reason for it to come off. Pero like even there, it looks like the adhesive is coming off a bit. I don't particularly like that. What are some of the things I like? It was so much more quiet than my Ozito Orbital Sander. So I think this sander is pretty good value. Can't beat the price. Mura lang siya eh. I would definitely get Powerhouse Orbital Sanders if I was running a furniture business. So if you get 3 of these things, you can get 80, 120, 240 and dedicate 1 per grit of sandpaper and never have to switch grits. That's probably what I would do. Mas mabilis yung trabaho. So Powerhouse Orbital Sander, pretty good. Pretty good.